Night breeze blows down the familiar street. I linger where we first chanced to meet, quietly keeping every memory complete, hiding my fondness in silent heartbeat. I can see the care within your eyes. I know your love is genuine and wise, but my heart never resonates inside. No spark of love can ever be disguised. I try to draw close, step by gentle step, try to warm your heart with all I have. I try to pretend, try to play along, afraid your true love would be wasted long.